not for nothing, but I'd like to see philosophy come back again. You know, in the days where mankind's pursuit of philosophy was to find the exact words that fit what was going on, digging into the truth and pondering on it to figure out the why it was going on in the first place. That was the ingenious of man. But somewhere along the way we got it all muddied up. We said to ourselves, if we keep finding the truth in the ether, eventually logic is going to find it, and then we're not going to have any power over the masses. So at a midpoint, early in humans' history, somebody decided to just come up with one thing and killed everybody who didn't believe in it, spared everybody who said that they did, and then the fear has been inbred into us. You see it all the time throughout your life. You go and meet people, you meet new people, and then that awkward moment when that inevitably comes between these moments of knowing people, when you say or they say, what do you believe? Do you believe in God? And then somebody like me who has always resented a faith would say, I believe in a different view of the world. Close to you, when it's come to that I know would say, I have a different view too. But that's where our conversation about God would trail off. Never really taken a second to actually say what our alternative views were, because people are too afraid to actually look and see what our views actually are. I say up with philosophy. Philosophy is the pinnacle of the energies and everything that we're learning and we're going to take back to the singularity. Philosophy was definitely one of the high points of our energetic structure. Socrates, Sun Tzu, anybody who looked at something and figured out the inner workings of it all down to a science. Albert Einstein, Leonardo da Vinci. Those guys were all men who weren't afraid to look at things in an entirely new way. Makes me wish that they were still around, like in this day and age, where we don't necessarily have a freedom, but we like to boast that we do. Just that little more understanding of the world, where the world has knowledge, looking back on the things that they taught us. Could you imagine what they could think up in this day and age, with all of us understanding and looking for the proof in things as well? Or would they be crackpots? Would they be crazies like me, coming here to the internet to pour out expressions and impressions of faith, hiding behind an exactly opposite world so I can be seen in another dimension? pieces of the world would get together, start talking about everything. Just talk. It's not going to hurt you if you tell somebody something that they don't agree with. Go find somebody that agrees with you. Have a conversation about it. Time is just the fizzle point where the energy is all getting taken in. This is what our conscious thought is, and all the energy as it's being taken in. We're the event horizon. As it's all being taken in, where the first little piece that gets slowed down but we're all still that energy.